Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Popper Appointment Booking widget to your BigCommerce website. An appointment booking widget can help your visitors schedule meetings easily, improve conversions, and make your website feel more professional and organized. So let's get started. First, log into BigCommerce and go to the App Marketplace. Install the Popper widget from there, and once it's installed, the Popper dashboard will open automatically. From the dashboard, click on Widgets, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Appointment Booking and open the widget. Once the widget opens, the first thing you'll see is the Content tab. Here, you can change the widget title and edit your services, including the service name, price, and duration. Next, go to Branding, where you can change the logo and cover image. In the Business Profile section, you can turn the profile display on or off and customize it. Then, under Notifications, you can enable the setting to send appointment notifications and choose the reminder time, such as 1 hour before or 2 hours before. After that, go to the Availability tab. Here, you can select the time zone, choose the booking window, and edit your weekly schedule and available time. In the Design tab, you can choose whether to add the widget as an embed, an inline, or a floating button. Then, in Styling, you can change the widget width, background, accent, and text colors. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After publishing, copy the installation code. Now go to your BigCommerce page builder, add an HTML block, and paste the code inside it. Then click Save HTML, and after that, publish your website. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.